Good morning, students. Welcome back to chapter factorization, session number 18. Right? So, in the last session, we have seen some basics, right? Some examples on, I think only one example or a couple of examples, right? On factorization, right? So today we'll let us move on to the exercise 12.1. Few sums, let us see, okay, how to factorize and what are common factors, how to pick the common factors, okay. Let us see all these sums. So in the first sum, find the common factors of the given terms in each. So first I want to tell you, here we have 3 bits in 12.1 exercise. I am going to tell you 2 or 3 sums from each bit, okay. And the rest I will be giving you homework. Don't worry, I am not going to give you all the sums only for today. For the next 2 days also, I will give homework only from this exercise. Okay. So let us start the first one. First one. Find the common factors of 8x, 24. 8x and 24. These are common factor 3. So first solution. Write down 8x is equals to 8 ni ela rayagaltamu first 2 table to start cheyochu or 1 table to start cheyochu. Okay, we have multiple factors. 8 ki unna factors anni rayochu. So simple ga chesukovali sum ni ante manam let us directly write down 2 into 2, right? 2 to start cheyandi first. That is the lowest number, right? Lowest digit, right? Anni factors ki the first factor enti untundi ante 1 untundi. So 1 will be common for every number, right? Every digit and every number. So after 1 కాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటి, ఆ పర్టికులర్ నెంబర్ కి నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటి అంటే that will be the smallest factor for that particular number. Okay, so here 2 will be the smallest one. So 8 కాబట్టి ఈజీగా 2 into 2 into 2 మనకు తెలిసి రాసేసుకుంటాం. If it is a big number, example 256 అనే నెంబర్ ఉంది, సో దీనికి ఎలా రాస్తారు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే you have to do LCM and start with the lowest one 2. Why 2? ఎందుకు 2 అంటే 3 కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు, but as I said you 2 will be the lowest one. 2 వస్తుందా లేదా ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? If the last digit of the number is divisible by 2, then that whole number will be divisible by 2. అవునా? సో లాస్ట్ 6 ఉంది, 2 టేబుల్ 6 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నేను 2 తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. 2 రాదు అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ 7 ఉంది, అప్పుడు నేను 2 తో చేయలేను కదా. 3 టేబుల్ 7 వస్తుంది. లెట్ us try 3 టేబుల్. అలా ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్ తో వెళ్తూ ఉండాలి, LCM చేయాలి. Then you will be getting the factors. So as it is 8, we can directly take 2 into 2 into 2 and we have one more x into x. Into ki x ki difference చూపించాలమ్మా, డెఫినెట్ గా చూపించండి. Write some small x right. And next 24 ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 2 into 2, 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 3s 24. Or you can do LCM. 24 కి LCM చేయొచ్చు. As it is 4 2 టేబుల్ వస్తుంది కదా. 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2 6s 12, 2 3s 6, 3 1s 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Right? Now, what are common from these two? Common enti 1 2 1, 2 2s 3 2s. All these are common. So now common factors are 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. So therefore 8 is a common factor of 8x and 24. Okay, this is the first sum. And yes, one more I should tell you, back answer ఏముంది అంటే 1 2 4 8 ఇలా ఉంది. So yes, all these are common factors. 1 టేబుల్ లో వస్తుంది, 24 కూడా 1 టేబుల్ లో వస్తుంది. That's why 1. And 2 table lo will get 8, will get 24. That's why 2. 4 table lo will get 8, will get 24. That's why 4. 8 table lo will get 8 and will get 24. That's why 8. So ఇలా రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ గా నేను చెప్పినట్టు రాయండి సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, డోంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. Let us see the next sum in this. So let us see sum number 3. Okay, 7xy comma 35x square y cube. 35x square y cube. Okay, now solution. Write down 7x y की factors write. So 7 8 table vastundamma, only 1 table and 7 table, right? 1 and itself. Write down 7 directly and into x into y. Inte kada daniki em cheyalem. Next 35x square y cube. 35x square y cube. 35 can be written as 35 8 tables lo vastundi. 1 table, 7 table, 5 table and 35 table. So 7 into 5, 1 7, right? ఇక్కడ 1 రాయట్లేదు, ఓన్లీ 7 రాస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ 35 కి 1 ఉంది, 1 కామన్ కాబట్టి రాయట్లేదు. ఓకే, 7 into 5, 1 కామన్, అన్నిటికీ కామన్, సో కాబట్టి రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇవి రెండే సెపరేట్ గా ఏదైనా కామన్ ఉన్నాయంటే అవి రాయాలి. 1 అనేది ప్రతి నెంబర్కి వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ దట్. నౌ 35 can be written as 7 into 5. 7 ని ఇంకా ఏం చేయలేం, 7 into 1 రాస్తాం, 1 అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్ 5 ని 5 into 1 రాస్తాం, 1 also no need. Now x square can be written as x into x. Y cube can be written as y into y into y. Now కామన్ గా ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి, 7 7 x x y y. Write down the common factors. Common factors are 7 into x into y. Therefore the common factors of 7xy comma 35x square y cube is or ఒకటే ఉన్నప్పుడు is రాయాలమ్మా, ఎక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు r అని రాయండి. మోర్ దెన్ 1 కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉంటే రైట్ as r. సో కామన్ గా ఏమున్నాయి మనకి, 7xy, ఈ మూడు కామన్ గా ఉన్నాయి. సో రైట్ డౌన్ 7 and x and y. We can keep commas also. Okay, so this is sum number 3. For today it is second sum. Now let us see one more sum in this bit. Let us see sixth sum. Okay, 4x square 6xy 8y square x. 4x square 6xy 8x square y, right? 8y square x. 8y square x. Solution, write down 4x square can be written as 4 can be written as 2 into 2, x can be written as x into x. Next 6xy, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, x into x into y. 8y square, 8y square x. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, y square can be written as y into y into x. Common 2 2 2. Can we take one more 2? ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ లేదు. సో we cannot take. కామన్ తీసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో, ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని టర్మ్స్ లోనూ కామన్ గా ఉండాలి. సెకండ్ టర్మ్ లో 2 కామన్ లేదు, సో we cannot take. Coming to x x x. ఇక్కడ y ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ లేదు. So we cannot take. Now therefore the common factors of 4x square comma 6xy comma 8y square x are emunai. We have 2, we have x, that's it, 2x, okay, or 2 and x. We take as 2 and x. 2 and x are common factors of these three terms. Okay, so this is the first bit. Let's see the second bit, factorization. How to factorize a given expression. How to factorize a given expression. First one, this is the first one, 5x square minus 25xy. This is second bit, first one, okay. 5x square minus 25xy, okay. So first in the common factors నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Say 5x square ni solution I am writing it as 5 into x minus 25x ni 25 ni 5 into 5 రాస్తున్నాను, xy ni x into y రాస్తున్నాను. కామన్ గా ఏమున్నాయి 5x. So I am taking these two out. ఈ 5 into x ని బయటకు తీసుకొని బ్రాకెట్ లో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్, ఇక్కడ x మిగిలింది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ మిగిలింది, ఇక్కడ 5y రెండు మిగిలింది, 5 into y అనే రెండు మిగిలింది. These two keep in mind. 5 into x is 5x, x minus 5y. Okay, now the factors of, therefore factorization another, the factors of 5x square minus 25xy are 5x into or comma x minus x5y. Okay, ఇవి రెండు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. 5x అనేది ఒక ఫ్యాక్టర్, x minus 5y అనేది ఒక ఫ్యాక్టర్. So totally we have two factors for this. Okay guys, anytime you can reach out to me. Okay, anytime you can reach out to me for doubts, clarification. And I'm so sorry, couple of students, I think 2 students have reached out to me. Okay, doubts ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి, I'm sorry, I'm unable to turn up. I mean నేను చెప్పలేకపోయాను, some other busy schedule. I'm sorry, my apologies to you. So those 2 people, after watching this video, ఈ వీడియో అయిపోయిన తర్వాత just I mean it will be today 16, I'm taking today, so tomorrow it will be coming to you. Once you're done with this, once you're done with the homework also, please మీకు ఏదైతే డౌట్ ఆల్రెడీ అడిగారో జస్ట్ ఒక్కసారి ఆ డౌట్, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ నాకు ఫోటో తీసి నాకు పంపించండి. Definitely I will be explaining you those sums tomorrow for sure. Okay, I'm not going to miss tomorrow. Definitely I will be explaining you tomorrow. So let us see the next sum. This is the final answer. The factors of 5x square minus 25xy are 5x and 20x minus 5. Now same bit, we'll see fourth one. 36a square b, 36a square b minus 60a square bc, 60a square bc. Same, write down 36a square b की common factors. Factors write. 36 can be written as 2 into, how much will get? Okay, first write down. Okay, do LCM for this. 2 ones 2, 1 is remaining, 2 8 16. 2 9s 18, 3 3s 9, 3 1s 3, which will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next, a square will be a into b minus 60 key factors. 2 3 6 0, 2 1s 2, 1 remaining, 2 5s 10, 5. Okay. Next, 3 table. 3 5s 15. Next, will not get 5 and 4. So 5 1s 5. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into A into B into C. So common entity. We have how many 2's here? 2 2's. 1 2. Here also 2 2's. Here we have 2 3's, but here only 1. We have A and A and A, B and B. Okay? Write down. Common one here 9. First 2, second 2, and 1 3, and 2 A's. We have 2 A's. Okay? And next 1 B. Okay? Now whatever we don't have, today miss any 1 3 is missing. Anything else? You can get miss out. In 2 rasam, in 2 rasam, in 3 rasam, A B. 2 2 3 A B. So 3 over missing 3 rasam. Minus. Ikkade miss any 5 is missing. C is missing. Get that 5C. Now this all the name and write 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12 into A square into B 3 minus 5C. This one 12A square B into 3 minus 5C. So this is a factor. Now therefore the factors are 12A square B comma 3 minus 5C. If you want, you can check out 12.1 exercise, second bit, fourth one. 12.1 exercise, second bit, fourth one, 12A square B 3 minus 5C. Right? You got that. Next, we'll see the immediate next one, fifth one Sudha. Let's see fifth one. Hope you understood this sums. Easy amma sums ivi. Common theorem, it's not a bit difficult. The only thing you need is practice. So next one is fifth one. 3A square BC plus 6AB square C plus 9ABC square. Okay, 9ABC square. Let's see. Write down 3A square BC. Okay, so how can we write? Okay, 3A square BC ni we cannot write 3 ni can write 3 into 1 tappa. So that 3 into A square ante A into A, B is B, C is C. Plus ikkada 6AB square C. 6 can be written as 3 into 2 into A is A, B square is B into B and C. Plus 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into A into B into C square is C into C. Common. ఇక్కడ ఒకటే 3 ఉంది, ఒకటే 3 ఉంది, ఒకటే 3 ఉంది. ఓకే, as ఇక్కడ ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నా సరే we should take only 1 3. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నా సరే we should take only 1 3. We don't have any other numerical values here, so ఈ numerical values will be like that only. It will not come as common. We have A here, we have only 1 A here, but we have 2. We should take only 1. The 1 should be remains like that. Here also only 1. We have only one b here. Here we have 2, but take only one b. Here kuda only one. Here we have only one c. We have only one c. We have two c's, but take only one. So underline చేసామని కామన్ గా తీసుకోండి. 3 into a into b into c. Open the brackets. ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగిలినాయి? Only 1a left out. Here we have 2 and b left out. Plus ని మధ్యలో ప్లస్ పెట్టండి. 2 into b right in the bracket. Plus again 3 into c left out. 3 into c left out. And now 3 into a into b into c can be written as 3abc. Open the bracket. A plus 2 into b is 2b plus 3 into c is 3c. That's it. These are the factors of this 3a, this expression. Okay. Therefore, the factors are 3abc, comma a plus 2b plus 3c. Got it? That's it. Okay, we're done with this second bit, fifth sum also. So I have explained you three sums in first bit and 3 sums from second bit. Okay, now I'm going to give you some homework. After that we'll stop this. Exercise, same exercise. First bit we left out with 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we left out with 4 sums in the first bit. So those 4 sums will be your homework. Okay, first bit lo 4 sums vadilesamu. I mean I left with 4 sums. I have explained you 3 sums and I left with 4 sums. All these 4 sums are very small. Similarly as I explained you, same sums lage untayi. So a 4 sums meeru homework cheyali. Okay, once you done with that, the people who asked me questions and I did not reply you, please once again with doubts ఒకసారి ఫోటో తీసి పంపించండి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ని. I will explain it. Okay, thank you, hope you understood. If you have any doubts in this, please ask me. Okay, thank you.